marvelous people, and welcome to another nutrition video where this time I'm going to show y'all how to make the side of broccoli. And this one actually is going to have grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to take some olive oil, garlic powder, and grind some Himalayan pink sea salt over these broccoli stems here. Then I'm going to also take my pepper and do the same thing. You want to set up your oven to 400 degrees, and then we can let that preheat for a little bit. And my oven has now preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to set a timer for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, broccoli should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and take my broccoli out, and once it's done melted into the broccoli, we can then go ahead and put it up. Now right there is it. That's what your broccoli should look like if you do it right. Nice and coated with Parmesan cheese, so you know it's going to taste great.